Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install WordPress on WAMP for locally offline use. So open your favorite browser. I am on Chrome and type here WordPress. Open the first link and we have here the latest version of WordPress 6.8.2 and click on here. It will download the WordPress and go to the directory. I already downloaded that for the time saving purpose and just extract this. So it will create a directory with the name of WordPress. Just cut this and go to the WAMP directory. I have here on C drive WAMP64. If you don't have installed WAMP yet, you can check the video on how to install WAMP on your Windows 11 machine. I'll rename is with tag block. And after that, I'll create, first I'll run the WAMP server. We'll create the database and run this directory. It's taking a little time. Yeah, it's now up. Now I'll run this to local. First, I'll create the database with the name of tech block. So I'm on local. So the default user is root and the password is null. And the database name is tech block. And I'll create that. Okay, after that, I'll run this. So our setup process will start. Localhost tech block. So I'll go with the English, United States. Yes. Yeah, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items: database name, database username, database password, database host, and DB prefix. I have all of these, so I will go that. And my database name is tag log, and I'll go with the user admin. Password is null, localhost, and it's fine. DB user is root. My database name is techlog. Password is null, localhost, and a cookie, and I'll submit that. And I'll click on run installation. So after that, it will ask for the site. So my site name is allroundzone. I want to create the website for this. So I am on localhost. I'll go with the user admin and passwords 123. Confirm. Yes, use this. I'll go with the email and this guy yes, and install. So now we'll go to the login, admin, and 123. So we have installed WordPress on our WAMP Windows 11 machine, the latest version 6.8.2. So if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. So, Sabijan, like the video.